You want to get a snake? Where do you see a snake?
Yeah, the python right there.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I see one hiding.
There's a corn snake.
Dad, don't you scare me. Oh my god, that's so small. One of these slithery things better not try to hiss at us anytime soon. Oh, please, Dad. I don't even know bearded dragons started off being this small. Yeah, even that one. You should have seen when one of the little rats came right up to me. Hope you little critters find good homes soon. Look at that skink. $999 for a blue-tongued skink. OMG! I will not tap on the glass because I do not want you to jump out at me. I don't know if you could see it because of how cloudy it looks, but no way would I want a tarantula. They look cute, but no thanks. Not even the tarantula from Home Alone could convince me that I should get one. I've been trying to get some of these little parakeets to talk, but so far they will just not say anything. No, nothing. Maybe they're just not social. There's two of them. There's two of them here. Oh. Maybe one of these birds was just now talking. You got something to say, you little yellow canary? What about you? What do you feathered fellas want to say? Looks like
two orange ones.
Looks like they came straight out of the Amazon rainforest. Some of these birds might be very, very camera shy. Looking at us with those eyes.